unleash the full potential of your Windows 11 system by learning how to create an administrator user account. In this video, we will walk you through the easy to follow steps, ensuring you have the necessary privileges to manage and customize your PC. Whether you are a tech enthusiast or a beginner, this tutorial has got you covered. Step 1. Open Settings by clicking the Start button and selecting the gear icon. Step 2. In the Settings window, choose Accounts and then click on Family and Other Users. Step 3. Select Add Account under Other Users and choose I don't have this person's sign-in information. Step 4. Click on Add a user without a Microsoft account and fill in the required details for the new administrator account. Step 5. Complete the setup process and the new administrator account will be created on Windows 11.